big and wide and
When Lisa Overholser noticed some changes to the skin on her breast during a self-exam, she didn't think much of it.
These were not bothersome symptoms to me, so it was really easy to ignore them. But looking back now, yeah, that, the redness was there, the dimpling like the orange peel, that was all there.
Those symptoms are actually signs of inflammatory breast cancer, a quickly growing cancer that blocks lymph nodes and does not often begin with a lump women associate with breast cancer. But by the time symptoms appear on the skin, inflammatory breast cancer has already typically reached stage 3, which means it has spread beyond the original tumor location.
The disease tends to grow rapidly compared to other types of cancer. And even with treatment, it tends to recur or come back more often than other types of cancer.
Knowing the symptoms and discussing them with your doctor as soon as possible can be life-saving, but a new national survey by the Ohio State University Comprehensive Cancer Center, James Cancer Hospital, and Solove Research Institute finds that while nearly 80% of women know that a lump can be a sign of breast cancer, less than 45% recognize symptoms like redness, thickening of the skin, or one breast feeling warmer or heavier than the other as possible cancer symptoms, and may instead mistake them for something like an infection.
Even in the medical community, physicians and providers are not used to thinking about red breast as a sign associated with inflammatory breast cancer because it is such a rare disease.
Inflammatory breast cancer also may not appear on standard mammogram, often requiring additional, more targeted screenings like an MRI to properly diagnose. But it starts with awareness and watching for these unusual signs to begin treatment sooner and give women a better chance of survival.
Had I known then what I know now, I wouldn't have waited.
At the Ohio State University Comprehensive Cancer Center, James Cancer Hospital, and Solove Research Institute, this is Barb Consiglio reporting.